grocery store. She's one of 18 people gunned down this morning. 6 people were killed, including federal judge John Roll and a 9-year-old girl. Police do have a suspect in custody. He is identified as 22-year-old Jared Lee Lochner. They've also recovered a handgun, a 9mm Glock. No word yet, though, on a motive. Congresswoman Giffords was holding a constituent meeting at that store. She suffered a gunshot to the head and is listed in critical condition. But
this news is brought to you by Erez and Yaniv, 24/7 New York Web Design.
Shot Gabrielle Giffords at point-blank range, and yet her surgeon is optimistic that she will recover after being shot in the head. Our chief medical correspondent here at CNN, of course, is Dr. Sanjay Gupta. You're a neurosurgeon. You know all about this. Shot that close with a 9mm. What are the odds here of surviving? And for doctors to be optimistic, that's saying a lot.
That's saying a lot, and they have a lot more information now. Obviously, at the time someone is shot, you're sort of collecting information, trying to see exactly where the bullet hit, how much penetration there was. Was this more of a glancing shot?
Will She Live? Brought to you by Yaniv Hanimoff from 24/7 New York Web Design. Need a website? Call us.
Things that people collect in terms of data at the time.
When it said, I heard you say something, and I heard during the press conference that she was obeying commands, listening to commands. So what might it be like? What might they be telling her? Move your...
Yeah, so they might say something like, raise 2 fingers or something like that to really get an idea, is she able to hear? Mm-hmm. Is she able to process that information? And then able to execute a command based on that. And obviously, if she can do all those things, it tells you a lot if someone can follow commands. And it's one of the first things you check when someone comes out of the operating room. So they go there, she goes to the hospital, probably got a CAT scan, goes to the operating room, has his surgery, and now everyone's sort of trying to figure out how well she's going to do. Well, that obeying commands thing is a very important and good